Well, yeah, it's not all that comfortable. We had 93 degrees yesterday, way above average highs. We're going to do it again today and tomorrow, so the steaminess just continues until we get to later this week. And look at this. At least it's beautiful out there. Look at that sunrise. Sky's getting brighter downtown Lexington, and we are set for what will be, feeling like a continuation of summer. Even though officially it was supposed to be, well, I should say unofficial. It's the official, unofficial end of summer, the Labor Day weekend. It is the end of meteorological summer at the end of August there, and we're into September now, but we're still feeling like full-bore summer. So, beautiful sunrise for you this morning. No showers, no storms to worry about today or tomorrow beyond a very low-end isolated chance. And we've been talking about this morning. You can see these showers and storms that are on the move back to the west. They're coming around this big ridge of high pressure. This is a strong ridge, and everything firing around the western periphery of it and also down south is running the western and southern edge of that ridge. It's called the Ring of Fire. You get these showers and storms that fire up along the outside of that high. But it can also influence the motion of a tropical system, and that's what we're looking at here. Gordon, which absolutely swamped South Florida with heavy rain over the weekend, is now out into the Gulf and is tracking in that west and northwesterly direction, heading for the Gulf Coast. So, yeah, as far as satellite presentation goes, it's not that impressive, but you still got deeper convection firing. You still got the potential for heavy rain. It is a tropical storm this morning, and you've also got Tropical Storm Florence out in the Atlantic, and there's another wave off the coast of Africa. So, as we get a closer look in at this setup, right there's Gordon, and there are tropical storm warnings in orange and a hurricane warning out for parts of the Gulf Coast for later on this evening. That potential landfall is either a strong tropical storm or maybe a minimal hurricane. At the moment, 65-mile-per-hour sustained winds, and as it tracks northwest, taking it in just to the east of New Orleans, possibly down towards Gulfport, Mississippi. Now, the National Hurricane Center does have it as a Category 1 hurricane, but what makes it interesting for us is the remnants of it, where they go. As it works its way up into Arkansas, Missouri, and then eventually towards eastern Oklahoma by late Thursday, it will start to recurve around as westerly winds pick it up. So it is conceivable the remnants of Gordon, although it's going to take days and days for it to happen, late this weekend may make it back into the Great Lakes, the Ohio Valley. We may have some tropically related downpours late in the weekend. That's still very much up in the air, though, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Future track today and tomorrow shows that isolated thunder shower chance out there. Not really a whole lot going on anytime soon. It's 73. What we do have going on is a lot of steamy air. The dew point currently is in the upper 60s to low 70s. It's muggy out there. And the heat index today and tomorrow with highs around 90, it's going to feel like it's in the low to mid 90s, so get ready for that. Highs should hit right around that 90-degree mark, mostly to partly sunny, hot and muggy, low 70s tonight. Tomorrow, back at it around a 90-degree high with the heat index in the low to mid-90s. And then you notice, well, two trends. Number one, the temperature falling, but number two, that's happening as shower and storm chances rise. So we get much more unsettled later this week, but highs could possibly be only around the low 80s by late in the weekend. And again, that moisture over the weekend, especially late in it, may be related to whatever's left, the remnants of Gordon. So we'll keep a close eye on that late in the upcoming weekend.
I'm just